everyone, this is Stream Beauty Factory here. I'm coming to y'all with another video, and the video that I'm coming with is the IPSY subscription that I subscribe to. If you don't know anything about IPSY, it's a $10 a month subscription that you get, and you get a makeup bag with different products that you that they do a survey what you like. I mean, you get probably face products, you probably get, you know, different makeup, different products that you want, they do a survey on, and they'll send it to you every month. So this month in April, it's about the social butterfly. I don't know if y'all can see that. They send you a little card in the mail. Life is too short. It's a fact. Life is too short to keep all the fun stuff happening right now. Life is too short to skip all the fun stuff right now. I think that's cute. And they put a card in every month, and this is the bag that they come in. When I see this bag, it's like it's Christmas all over when you get this kind of stuff. So that's why I like getting these subscriptions. And y'all, the bag this month, I mean, I thought the last month the bag was pretty good, but this month, look at this. This is very beautiful. You got the metallic little ends right here, and then the back of it look like a purple-ish pink or whatever. I love this bag, and every month I carry my bag. Every month I change my bag out into, you know, when I get another one, I put the other one up, and then sometimes I just pass it on to my daughters whenever they need a makeup bag. So like I said, IPSY is a $10 a month subscription. Yeah, subscription every month. So if you want to get this, I put in the description box below their link and everything, and y'all need to check it out. So I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm gonna get on with the products that they sent me. Okay, they sent me a Ofra blush, and it's a blush, and you can use what's it, Chameleon, and it used in palettes or kits. I think what they mean by that, you can take those mechanical things, you know, the magnets, you can stick this in, and you can make your own palette. So that's what that, and it comes in like this, y'all. It comes like this, and the blush is pretty cute though. You can do a little neutral look, and it's Ofra. So I think I got another Ofra brush, a blush that they I say brush, blush that they have sent me. So I had to jump on here, and after I just got home from work, and I said, let me jump on here and just tell everybody about this. You know, I haven't done this in a while either, y'all. It's been a while. I haven't done it, so I gotta start back doing IPSY. But yeah, this is what it come in. And then the next thing I get is a lipstick. It's called Girl Power, Real Her. And I'm gonna take it out the pack, y'all. I haven't opened anything. I just came home, and I just jumped on here just to do a video so y'all guys can see what I got, because I haven't done it in a while. If I can get in the package, they got it closed up very good. Okay. It's a nice little size. I don't know if they lipsticks come like this, but it's a nice little size. I don't want to tear the box up. Come on now. I'm excited. I want to get in here. See, and this what it, oh, it's got a little thing in there called Real Her. And it's oh, let us treat you with 30% off, and use, oh, if I go on their website, I get 30% off, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is like a sample. It's teeny. I thought it was a big one. That's the color right there. Let me try to see a little swatch. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of, let me see. Can y'all see that? It's a nice little color that you can just put a lip liner with it and make it work. I think that's pretty. Yeah, that's cute. I think it's cute though. It's a travel size. And it's got Real Her on it. It's got black and white. That's cute. I like that. And then the next one we got is Mech. I think I'm saying it Meech, and is it Maya? I hope I'm saying this right. Y'all, if I'm quoting it wrong, I'm sorry. And it's the copper. Look at the color of this, y'all. That's gonna be a pretty eyeshadow. Oh, and it's the loose pigment. Oh, they got it closed up. I should have opened all these things before I got on camera. I didn't know they had that. Well, I should have known that. Let me see if they got anything on this side. Yeah. Look at this, y'all. Oh, and they got it closed up. I'm trying to show y'all how. Well, anyway, I can't get in here, and I'm not gonna prolong this for y'all, for me to fight and get in, but you can kind of see what I'm trying to say. It's like a gold, like a copper color. I love copper. It makes look. I think I got this kind of like on my eyes right here, but it's pretty. That's pretty. I like that. I will try this and do an eye look, and I'll show y'all guys this. And the next thing I got here is, it's got CB. Yeah, CB. And it's called, what is it? Clark Botanicals. And it's a facial cream. And it says apply a thin layer of freshly cleansed face and neck. Leave overnight. Rinse off any residue in the morning. Oh, so you keep this on all night. Oh, I didn't know that. So this is like a face mask that you keep on all night and you rinse it off in the morning. Oh, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna let y'all guys know how it works. And I think this is the last one, y'all. And it's called Bio Race. And it's pore tightening clay mask. It's a full size. Let me see how it look inside, y'all. Y'all can tell that I just opened this product. I just came on here and just showed y'all. Let me see how the mask look. Oh, let me see, it's covered up. Yeah, it's clay. You see that? Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna try this, y'all. I got more facial stuff and a few, you know, and 3 of the makeup, so that's pretty good. So I think I got a lot in my bag this time. So y'all, I want y'all to go try IPSY out. It's a $10 a month subscription. It's not that much, and you get these little goodies and little cute bags that come every month. I think it's a good deal. So y'all guys, let me know what y'all like that I got out the IPSY bag, and let me know if y'all subscribe to IPSY. And y'all guys, I just want to jump on here and just say, tell y'all about this, and I want y'all to have a great day wherever y'all are. And I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.